Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sitting on the floor, so let's just get that out of the way, and my face makeup is pretty much already done. So what I wanted to do is kind of just play around with some more makeup. Of course, I do have this inspiration here that I wanted to try and work out. So I really hope it does, and if you like this look, give it a thumbs up, or if you just find me kind of just a hot mess, go ahead and give it another thumbs up. Yeah, so let's get into the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, so as I already said, my face makeup is already done, and what I wanted to do was my palette that I'm going to use is over here. I do kind of want to do a dark blue lid, as you already seen from the inspiration video, and to do that I'm going to go into the Alamar Cosmetics and use that Varadero, which is this blue here, and put that on my lid. But of course we have to do some prep work, so in order to do that I'm going to go into my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette here and kind of just take some of those neutrals and put it into my crease. So I'm going to go into Peach Tea. I'm just going to use the mirror they give me and put that into my crease. Okay, so next I'm actually going to go into Peach Tart, which is this dark brown shade here, and I'm just going to start darkening out that crease. Ooh, lordy. Alright, so now that we have that brown mixed in there, I'm actually going to go into the Alamar palette because they also have a brown. It's called Cafecito, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well. So next I'm actually going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm just going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer for that. Alright, so now that we have the crease cut, I'm going to go into Varadero, which is that blue. It's so beautiful. Look at it on the thing there, on the brush. Just for argument's sake, I'm just going to spray it down. And then, wow, look at that. You know what I actually want to do? I want to add this really aqua green blue right here, and this one is called Celia. And I want to put that somewhere on the eyes. I'm just not quite sure where. I think I'll put it in the middle. Right there in the middle. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, this has to go somewhere. Put that right there in the middle. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm not going to put anything on my lower lash line. I don't normally do, but I'm going to go back into the Peach palette, and I'm going to go into Peach Tart, and I'm just going to darken out the outer corners a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. I'm just gonna curl these lashes real quick. Alright, and there you have it. I'm digging it. I like it. I'm really afraid of blue, to be honest, but I can actually go on throughout my day with this kind of look. I think it's really nice, to be honest. But I hope you guys like it. I know this is kind of quick. I hope this was pretty quick. Yeah, I just really wanted this to be like a quick video, me thinking that I can do a blue look, so I just figured if I filmed it and I forced myself to film it, then I would force myself to do a bold look and kind of keep practicing and getting out of my comfort zone. So I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's literally like right here. I think it's right here or right here. Wherever it is, just click it. Okay, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, also, I know that my lighting and everything might be like trash, so I'm gonna leave some pictures at the end. So, yeah, bye.